Welcome to the 100 Days Manifestation Challenge, where dreams turn into reality and goals transform into achievements. Are you ready to create a life of abundance, joy, and success? This challenge is designed to take you on a transformational journey, one day at a time. And by the end of 100 days, you'll be amazed at what you've manifested into your life. Whether you're new to manifestation or already a believer, this is your moment. Stick with me until the end of this video, and you'll not only understand the step-by-step approach to manifestation, but also hear real-life success stories that will inspire you to start today. Manifestation is more than just wishful thinking. It's the science of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires. As Napoleon Hill famously wrote in Think and Grow Rich, whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. When you focus on a goal with clarity and unwavering belief, you activate the law of attraction, a universal principle that brings people, circumstances, and opportunities into your life to help you succeed. But there's a catch. You must be consistent. That's why this 100-day challenge is the perfect starting point. Here's how the 100 Days Manifestation Challenge works. Clarity is key. Start by writing down your top 3 goals for the next 100 days. Be specific. For example, instead of saying, "I want more money," say, "I want to earn $10,000 from my side hustle by specific date." Daily visualization. Spend at least 10 minutes each morning visualizing yourself achieving these goals. Imagine the sights, sounds, and emotions. Feel the excitement of your success as if it's already happened. Gratitude practice. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every evening. Gratitude amplifies your energy and makes you a magnet for abundance. Take inspired action. The universe works best when you do your part. Commit to daily actions, big or small, that bring you closer to your goals. Each week, we'll release a video with tips, exercises, and affirmations to keep you on track. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a step. Let's take a moment to learn from the masters of manifestation. The Secret by Rhonda Byrne teaches us that thoughts are magnetic. Whatever you focus on, good or bad, you attract more of it. That's why it's essential to stay positive during this challenge. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill emphasizes the importance of a burning desire. He calls it definiteness of purpose. During this challenge, remind yourself daily why you want to achieve your goals. Ask and it is given by Esther and Jerry Hicks introduces the idea of vibrational alignment. To manifest your desires, your energy must match the frequency of your dreams. This is where gratitude, visualization, and affirmations play a critical role. Still skeptical? Let's talk about some famous success stories. Oprah Winfrey, one of the world's most successful women, has credited visualization and belief as key parts of her journey. Jim Carrey famously wrote himself a $10 million check for acting services rendered when he was struggling. A few years later, he landed a role in Dumb and Dumber and earned that exact amount. Serena Williams has spoken about using visualization to win matches. She sees herself lifting the trophy before she even steps onto the court. These examples prove that manifestation isn't just a concept. It's a practice that works when done right. Many people give up on manifestation because they make a few common mistakes: lack of consistency. Manifestation isn't a one-time thing. It requires daily effort, focusing on lack. If you're constantly worrying about what you don't have, you'll attract more of that lack. Doubting the process. Faith is the backbone of manifestation. Believe that it's working, even if you don't see immediate results. In this 100-day challenge, we'll guide you to overcome these hurdles and stay on track. You've made it this far. which means you're ready to take control of your destiny. Imagine where you could be 100 days from now. Living your dream life, achieving goals you once thought were impossible, and feeling empowered every step of the way. I challenge you to start today. Write down your 3 goals, commit to the daily practices, and see what happens. Comment below your goals for this challenge. We'd love to cheer you on. Don't miss our next video on how to supercharge your manifestation journey. Check it out here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Your best life starts now.